Good morning, all. Today we are going to see about logistics and supply chain evaluation. Evaluation, how we can. Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about logistics and supply chain transformation. How this logistics and supply chain has evolved. Likewise, we are going to see, right? So, if you take logistics and supply chain management in the year 1960s, what we called as fragmentation. Fragmentation means in early 1960s, what we called as we didn't call it as logistics and supply chain. We called as fragmentation. Fragmentation, where it speaks about demand forecasting, how much demand of the particular product, demand forecasting, sourcing is supplier and purchasing how much we are going to purchase, procurement of the raw material, requirement planning, how much we are going to earn, production planning, manufacturing inventory, how much inventory we are holding, warehouse, material handling, packing, goods inventory, distribution planning, order processing, transportation, and finally customer service. These are the things we it's a part of fragmentation in early 1960s. In after a kind of 20 years in 1980s, what we said is a kind of consolidation we have done. So demand forecasting, source of procurement of raw material, requirement planning means how much resource I am going to plan accordingly, resource like manpower, machineries, and the requirement planning, tools and equipments planning. It's all about requirement planning. Sourcing and purchasing is procurement of raw material and so on. Demand forecasting is how much demand it's all about. So production planning, how I'm going to produce my product for each day, and what's the sort of thing. So next one is inventory control also, or inventory management in the manufacturing units in place. Everything we have consolidated into an material management. So it's all about material and resources, what is there. So we called as material management. There is two things: inventory management, material management, and so on, where it speaks about demand. Based on the demand only, the purchasing of raw material, and based on that the human power, machineries requirement, and production planning, process planning, as well as inventory management, all involved. Get together, we will be consolidated, and we will telling us material management. After that, the most important three things is warehousing, material handling, and next one is packing. After the it gets finished good, warehousing is also plays a vital role. Packing, how we are handling that finished good materials, that's also plays a vital role. Next is goods inventories, distribution planning, order processing, transportation, customer service. These are called as distribution channel, or kind of distribution of finished good to the end customer. So physical distribution, they mean it's nothing but distribution. That plays a vital role. Material management and distribution, it plays a vital role in supply chain management. So after in 10 years, in 1990s, they all integrated and they called as the logistics. But it's not the term what we are using now. Logistics, it's called as transportation. Completely they integrated into one, and they called as logistics. After a kind of thing in after 10 years, in early 2000s, value of the products and the value of the service matters are lost lot. So the logistics is uh, we called as supply chain management, where new technology like informational technology, marketing and sales, strategic planning, finance, all aspects came. After that, this same supply chain management is converted into automation at the year of 2010 and above. So even if you take logistics and supply chain management, nowadays lot and lot of technological advancements and kind of automations in this supply chain management and distribution, material management, everything. They are having certain technologies, softwares to make the work more easier. So yes, so this is all about the how it evolves or how the particular logistics and supply chain transformed in certain period of time or in a year. Next is if you take supply chain management, and there will be three basic elements like speed. Speed is more important. Within a short span, how I am getting that particular product, time of delivery, and system efficiency is nothing but the distribution channel efficiency, cost and quality. Cost and quality, especially when we speak about supply chain, we won't speak about quality. We will be speaking about time delivery, system, how the particular supply chain system is framed, how it's an effective and efficient, and uh, cost effective one. So these are the three basic elements in supply chain management. If you take supply chain management, there is logistics, purchase. These are the parts of supply chain management. Purchasing is the procurement of raw material. Market and sales is marketing and sales of that particular product. Financing also important. R&D, research and development, production process, logistics, a kind of transportation. Everything is it's a part of supply chain management. So logistics also it's a part of supply chain management. That's that's the thing it's mentioned over here. Yes, marketing and sales, procurement, purchase of raw material and so on, logistics, planning like financial planning, analysis, and successful operation or production process. What's all about, right? So next is let's see about what is supply chain management. So supply chain management is the management of flow of goods or service, including all process that transform raw material into finished product until it reaches the end customer. It involves the active streamlining of the business supply side activities to maximize the customer value and gain a competitive advantage in a marketplace. If you take a supply chain management, convert from raw material till it reaches the end customer as unfinished good, the entire material movement we will be calling as an supply chain management. Our entire process we will be calling as an supply chain management. So a basic comparison between what is logistics management and supply chain management. The meaning of logistics management is integrated movement, maintaining of goods in and out an organization. We will be calling as a logistics. In and out means within a specific a supplier to manufacturer, or a manufacturer to the wholesaler, or a distribution channel to the wholesaler, or wholesaler to the retailer, or retailer to the end customer. We will be calling as a logistics management. Supply chain management is the coordination and management of supply chain activities, knowing as supply chain management. The entire material movement we will be calling as supply chain management. Objective is customer satisfaction. So in logistics, customer satisfaction, because providing uh, providing materials or a finished good at right time, it plays a vital. So customer satisfaction is more important. In supply chain management, competitive advantage is more important, because there is a n number of peoples or n number of players are there. So competitive advantage compared to others, we will be having some unique value or unique thing we have to evolve. We have to have. Evolution is in logistics, it's an yearly one, and supply chain management is a modern concept, where after the innovation of latest technologies and everything, the supply chain management has evolved. So in logistics management, especially a single organization may be involved, because a kind of logistics like VRL logistics, such things are will be there. If it is a supply chain management, there will be more distribution channel like Flipkart, Amazon, and so on. There will be probably there may be multiple chances will be there. So in logistics management, the fraction of supply chain management, and it's a part logistics. It's a part of supply chain management. Supply chain is a new version of logistics where it's integrated everything. So yes, this is the major difference between logistics and supply chain management. Here, let me show two more slides where you can able to understand. So yes, the logistics as well as supply chain, where it's completely it's both having its characteristics, where logistics it's a practical function of supply chain. It's a part of supply chain and integral process where the company outsource the third party such as freight forwarders and so on, a kind of transportation where they will be focusing on cost and the time of the delivery, and cost plays a vital role. Even there is a lot of terminologies like inbound outbound transportation, warehousing, and so on. It plays an important role in logistics, and strong focus on customer satisfaction plays also a very important role. They manage the process of bringing the product to the market. It's a main objective of both logistics and supply chain. This is the characteristics of both common to both. So supply chain is a strategical view of logistics and procurement and planning, because it's an integrated part of everything. So the planning and procurement, purchase of things, and logistics planning, everything it's more important. It can be a manufacturer or a supplier from the directly from the manufacturer. We can able to deliver and so on. There is a number of process gets involved. Focusing on innovation approach and cost cutting is more important, because for the entire process, if you take the cost cutting plays a vital role, and procurement and all kinds of manufacturing, inventory management, innovations. So it's placed in supply chain competitive advantage also plays a vital role. So in supply chain management, logistics management, it's a part of supply chain management. Distribution, it's a part of logistics management, because distribution is warehousing, inventory control, order administration, outbound training, transportation, site location, packaging, data processing, communication, which all comes under distribution. In logistics management, inventory management, inbound transportation, supply chain and demand outsourcing management, fleet management, this all comes under logistics management. So supply chain management, sourcing and procurement, manufacturing, coordination and collaboration, integration of supply and demand management. These are comes under the supply chain. So distribution is a part of logistics, and logistics is a part of supply chain. So supply chain is an integrated part of logistics, logistics management, distribution. Not only distribution, logistics, it's purchasing, market and sales, finance, research and development, and productions. So this is what all about. Thank you all.